to pick the wild one that the shop don't want.
But the weed grew, we just let it.
Let it be or we pull.
Oh, okay.
But we don't have enough people. So we just let it be.
It's good to.
You see how much is still left. And you see how much we have harvested. Just now you saw them bringing down. Yeah. And then there's kangkong there. You see kangkong? Kangkong has been overly underrated.
You see, in future my assignment is going to be
very good.
I'll work with Dr. Leon. Take one row. You need to work on the
So there's
project.
two types of
Come up
kangkong.
with a business
The
plan.
ones that grown by
Grow
the
the stuff.
pari.
Find the market. Sell it.
These are red
Try to
kangkong.
report on
You
the
can say,
measurement of
mine
success.
is dry.
That will be the business strategy.
So 14 weeks.
No.
That's,
Okay.
is that possible?
But
Possible?
people don't
It sounds
know.
great, but like
No, I mean, you
I would
get the
love to see
business
it.
plan, you the setup.
I'll be joining that class because I'm not taking it this semester, right?
Will be a strategy that's going to be the future assessment.
Sounds pretty good. A lot of hard work though.
Yes, but it's real stuff.
I want to get an A+.
See the kangkong. We harvested. Oh, don't step on the plant. Don't step on this soil.
This one.
Step
right?
on the
The
walk along the drain.
Oh.
So they just harvested remaining. But look at how much grass has come out. So it's tough. The hardest part of an organic farm is the weed. Not so much the pest. So basically this my workers will, when they want to cook, they will come and pick the rest. So they eat directly from here and they eat.
wow.
See, yeah. So some we send out to the shop, some whoever is here we eat this. But the wild ones come out very fast. See?
You have shop. You mean sending it to your, those who have already, those who are already getting the things from you, right?
Yeah, some households and some a few organic shops.
Right.
But if people want they order, I will start planting.
Oh, based on.
This is my pisang, Mas and Berangan area. I still got a lot.
It's always the on the eastern side.
Yeah, it's basically Clinton too. I think so.